All right, so John, we went out to dinner. I don't even remember when it was, a little while ago in Queens. And I didn't want to park in the parking lot of the restaurant because I thought someone was going to hit the car. So I parked on the street, and some idiot obviously backed into the car and dislodged the bumper a little bit. So do you think we could fix it?
Yeah, basically.
All right, I'm going to switch places
Yes.
with you then.
Okay. All right. So basically, in here, there's a fastener. It's gonna hold this. Like, if you can pull, see if you can pull this back.
Hold on, I'm gonna lower our GoPro a little bit.
I'm gonna have to pull this like this,
Yeah.
and then I gotta put the fastener in, and then it's a screw fastener that splits. I gotta take these off though.
Do you have to take the bumper off or no?
No,
Just
I'll
a couple
be able
of.
to reach in and do it from underneath, but I gotta take these fasteners back off again.
So the same fasteners that you had taken
Recently
off
for something else.
for the
Yes.
fog light that we did,
Yes.
you're gonna have to take them off again.
Yep. Which is no big deal. Now we have the proper tool, and we're experts at it now, so that makes it even better.
Okay.